Hi guys, how you doing? I hope you are doing fine, and I'd like to welcome you all to the third class for programmers in Python that I passed for you guys. And today we're gonna learn how to edit this chart that I've left here already done. So today we're gonna learn how to generate the text of the values that we have here, like the vectors on the strength, but also to organize and dislocate these elements inside the chart. Okay, so what I have to do first, next step here, is to come over here and write for I in range parentheses len parentheses again, and this for I in a range len code was telling Python that he needs to come back in here on the vectors time and strength and rescue these values here. On the other hand, for I in a range len will also help Python to generate the text inside here, calculate the points of those tests, and organize them inside the chart. Just like I told you in the first two classes, everything you want Python to do, you just need to tell him to do, and he will do it for you. And that's like how machine works, right? So we want to tell Python to generate a text, so we put axis dot text in the parentheses. So inside the parentheses, we're gonna write the information that we want Python to rescue. So we're gonna write time, strength, and I'm gonna use this resource to tell Python dot format in parentheses to tell Python what values that I want here to rescue here. The element right here is the value that Python will understand that he needs to come back in here and rescue the value. So I'm gonna write here strength because I want Python to rescue the values of the strength vector, and I have to write here time because I want to tell Python that these values of this code for I in a range len are going to be arranged according to the x-axis. Okay, I want to tell Python the location of these points, so I'm gonna put here I for the time, I for the strength, and I to the coordinate to tell Python the values I want here to rescue. When I come over here and run the file, I already have the text inside the chart, even though they are on a point, and I don't want this. I want it to be dislocated, and in time I have the point dislocation. Any value that I put here on the time will make those texts dislocate to the right and to the left along to the X line. So if I put here minus 0.1, just try to understand that these points here are arranged in 0.5 to 0.5. So I'm gonna use 0.1 to dislocate these points in 0.1 to the left. If I put a plus in here, when I run my file, I told Python to dislocate the text inside the chart 0.1 to the right, but to the right is not too good, so I'm gonna leave in here the minus 0.1. I also want to dislocate these points up and down, so up and down are along to the Y line. Then I need to come over here on the strength, and if I wanted to dislocate up, I'm gonna put here 0.25. They are dislocated to minus 0.1 to the left on the X line, and plus 0.25 dislocated up on the Y line. I know that this 11 here is still on the line, but in the next class we're gonna learn how to dislocate this limit in the Y axis and to dislocate the limit in the X axis. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this class of this video, and I'll wait for you guys in the next class.